Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, we are going to fix the FPS drops issue on our Windows 11 gaming PC. So let's start without wasting your time guys. I'm pretty sure if you apply this method, your issue is going to fix now. So simply open the registry editor as a admin mode, type registry and then run it as a administrator and hit yes option when the prompt opens. And we need to apply this method guys. First of all, we need to double click on the H key current user, and once you double click on that, you need to double click on the system and then double click on the game config store. And this is very important. You just need to double click on the game dbr_enable and set its value to 0. If it should be 1, but make its value to 0 and then click on OK. And once you have click on OK, its value should be changed here, as you can see 0. And now we need to double click on the H key local machine. This is the second step to troubleshoot the issue. Okay, and then we need to double click on the software, then we need to double click on the Microsoft like this. And once you click on the double click on the Microsoft, we need to look for this, which is policy manager. Double click on it and we need to double click on the default one. And once you double click on the default one, you need to scroll down and look for the folder that is application manager. This option, application management. And once you double click on the application management, you need to double click on the allow game DVR. And inside here guys, also you need to select the value to 0. I have already done that in order to fix that issue already. So you need to select here the 0, then hit apply. And once you apply this setting guys, you can re-verify that its value is 0 here. Now you just need to restart your system and then you will see your issue will be fixed after applying this method. So I hope guys your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.